Hello, hello. I'm Susan with StArtStudioArt.com. And I also have a Facebook group that's StArt Stampin' Up! Art, which is a great place to share ideas and ask questions and find out about upcoming workshops and that sort of thing. I am in the Columbus, Ohio area, and I've done workshops in and around this area, up in the Kenton area and as far away as Lima. So I'm not afraid to put some miles on if you are interested in a workshop. That's a great place to communicate these things. But today I am here about a paper pumpkin unbox. So it's supposed to be an unbox. Truth be told, I had some IT issues that really put a delay on my plans. But we're gonna do it today because I have a giveaway. This paper pumpkin kit blew me away. Just absolutely fabulous, adorable. I got a second. Now this one has not been opened. This one is gonna go to a drawing winner. And I've got a couple ways you can enter to win this paper pumpkin kit that I will show you the parts. One way, share the video. Be sure to comment shared in the video, and I'll be able to reach out to you at the end of the drawing time and get an address for a US resident, please. You can also order on the February hostess code, and that will get you a chance to win. If you do both, you'll get 2 chances to win. So a couple ways to win it. Paper Pumpkin has tons going on right now. First and foremost, I have to let you know that if you sign up for Paper Pumpkin between now and March 10th, you will hit on their 6-year anniversary kit, and that kit gets an additional stamp set for free. Typically you get a stamp set with a Paper Pumpkin kit. This one, you're gonna get a second stamp set free with the, I guess this would be considered their April kit. I kind of lose track of it, but sign up between now and March 10th and you'll get that. And we do know that it's birthday theme, which is always can use birthday things. And you do want to turn them over, right? So you're not sending the same card to the same person time and again. I haven't done that. I have a system of keeping track, but I have to laugh because it's happened. The super cool thing now with Stampin' Up, we're in our occasions and celebration season. And with the occasions and celebration season, you can order anything from any current catalog and it will contribute to your subtotal. Once your subtotal hits $50, you're eligible for some free items in celebration. Stamp sets, really cool paper, embellishments, ribbon. And then they've also started doing items that are free with a $100 subtotal that are more things like bundles and dies and things that are, you know, a little higher price point. But Paper Pumpkin, you can prepay. And I've listed the item codes here for, you know, a 1-month prepaid Paper Pumpkin, 3, 6, and so on. But if you prepay, this amount for your prepaid subscription will go towards a celebration item. So that's a great way to do it. You'll go online where you would normally order, stampinup.com, and then you put these in. It gives you I believe they call it a voucher number or a subscription number, and then you take that to the Paper Pumpkin side of their website and start your subscription. So really awesome way to just kind of maximize all the benefits and promotions that are going on now. And you do want to use the hostess code when you sign up for these so that I get your information to put you in the drawing, and I thank you very much. But go ahead and use that hostess code, and you can sign these up, order from the clearance, order from anywhere. So that's that. This Paper Pumpkin, I want to say they considered this their January kit. It coordinated, we knew before it came out that it was going to coordinate with Animal Outing, which is an awesome, sweet, really cool graphics with the animals and things. There's also a coordinating die set. So these little guys have been put to use, and they even in this suite have a designer series paper. So all coordinating, things you can you know, use all together. Of course, you can always pull in other elements, but these are, I've just had a ton of fun with these. Super cute, fun to color, whether you use blends, the watercolor brushes with your re-inkers or Stampin' Write markers, they all look good. These were a couple, I just did kind of the same design and had it as a thank you and kind of a sweetheart. But look how cute, just to finish out, like, and you can, you know, you can color these guys in if you want to. I always put a little something on the envelopes. Together we make a great pair. Wild About You with a little, he's got like the little eyebrow going marks. So it's a great suite. We knew it was going to coordinate, and here we go. So because of my IT difficulty, I have actually opened this one before, but usually get a little blurb. Paper pumpkin kits come with a Stampin' Spot. So this month it was Melon Mambo. Stampin' Spots are awesome for a few reasons. One, they're just so tiny, and like, you know, I've taken paper pumpkin kits, like everything you need is in here, so you can, you know, take this as a carry-on if you're traveling through the airport, work on things, take it to work if you know, eat your lunch and you've got some time and you just want to like let the day kind of fall away. You can work on these things. They're just, it's everything you need all in one little case. So there's the Stampin' Spot. The other thing about Stampin' Spots that's awesome, if you're using your Stamparatus, you can really get the ink just where you want it on the stamps without that little, you know, sometimes when you use a full-size ink pad, you get a little corner where you didn't want it, and then you have to be really careful to either wipe that up, or in my case, I've learned to be really good at fixing these things. There's many ways to cover up a little ink spot where you didn't want it, but it's just easier if you don't have it go rogue anyway. So there's a Stampin' Spot, and they kind of rotate through colors. If you've never subscribed before, you can see my block has been loved and used. But if you've never subscribed before with your Paper Pumpkin subscription, what a tongue twister, you'll get an acrylic block as well in your first kit. And then you get your stamp set. And I have to say, this little stamp set just makes me so happy. We're bird watchers. We look at birds and photograph birds and paint birds at our house. But there's super cute little birds. And then this chameleon. I mean, how stinking cute is that chameleon? And he shows up in little fine detail in the designer series paper as well. So I have to be honest, I've been a demonstrator for a number of years, and I've always thought Paper Pumpkin was nice. It's everything you need. Here it is. But they have stepped it up so much lately. Like what they're making, their designs, how well they actually coordinate and, you know, speak to bigger things in the line. I mean, look at how cute those are. Scale, line, content, everything. They just work great together. Like this, my son is 13, and puns, you're one in a chameleon. I mean, he's gonna love that. And then this one, as I had mentioned, this was the January kit. So it's got Valentine's things, but you know, because it's for you, my friend, love you. Look at this, You're So Fly. And there's a little fly on the chameleon. Just super cute. I mean, super cute. I'm very glad my IT troubles are over, because I've got so many ideas of what to do with this kit, aside from what, you know, they have planned for us. So moving on, the kits will come with, let me see if I can get this all out of here and set this box aside. So these are originally bundled all together so they don't get shuffled around in shipping. But we have all the embellishments that you need. This kit came with these really awesome adhesive hearts in 2 colors. And it's, I mean, I could count them through, but it's more than you need. And what's amazing, this kit is everything you need for 24 pillow box treats. So that's enough for most classes. You know, I think the biggest number of Valentines that my son ever had to take to school was pretty close to this, maybe 20, 22. So, you know, and if you had to do a couple extra for the teacher or something, you've got the stamps. And they always tell you the coordinating colors. So on the back of the instruction sheet, the Stampin' Up! Coordinating colors, I hope you can read this. Crumb Cake, Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lime Twist, of course the Melon Mambo they gave us, Petal Pink, and Pool Party. So, you know, you can do other side projects, and you don't have to stick to their color combination, but, you know, wow, like making a full-size card for the teacher if your kids are in that age. I so miss making Valentines with my son. But getting back to all this, they give you the glue dots, these awesome little epoxy hearts. They're cute. This is 2 sheets of dimensionals. You know, I don't know that I'm gonna need all those, but that's great because then I've got extras in my stash. And then the adhesive strips are to help you put your pillow boxes together. Here we are. Here's the score line, if you can see it. So that'll sit right there, and it's stronger than the 2-sided tape. It's gonna fit that little rail real nice and not be as messy as glue. So, I mean, they really go all out making sure you have everything. In this case, you know, like our pillow boxes, they're double-sided. So if we chose to use these for, say, I think it'd be super cute for a baby shower, and put that, you know, that little heart in the kangaroo pouch. I mean, that would be awesome for a baby shower. And then you've got a pink version and a blue version, just super cute. And just really, they've stepped it up. They've really stepped it up. And then of course, your other elements are already, you know, pre-cut and scored, so you just pop them out. Tags are included. So as I said, you know, you could just pick up a paper pumpkin kit when you're traveling, when you know you're gonna be waiting in a doctor's office. I've had too much of that in my world lately. And it's everything you need right there in the box, ready to go. Look how cute, just adorable. And as I was saying, I think it would be really fun to just put a little slip score in here, and then you could put whatever message you wanted for a baby shower. Definitely, they're awesome for I love you. They'd be super cute for birthday, anniversary. Just, I'm jazzed. And then I can't be remiss, in case you've never done paper pumpkin before, this is your instruction sheet. So it'll take you through building them out so that you have, in the end, what they show on the cover page of their instructions. And even if you're one of those folks that wants to make sure everything's perfectly centered, you've got it. You've even got a little ruler built in. I mean, these are, I mean, I don't want to sound like I'm talking down about paper pumpkin before, because they were really nice and I really enjoyed some of the kits, but these have just, they've wowed me lately. They're just so awesome. So that's what's in the box. If you don't have a demonstrator and all of this sounds like something new and you don't know occasions, celebration, all that, get in touch with me. I would be happy to send you any catalogs you might need, and answer any questions for anybody. So I hope you're having fun. Get out there and be creative, and please share the video. Be sure to comment that you shared it. If you want to tell me where you shared it, that's awesome. But be sure to comment that you shared so that I can reach back to you, include you in the giveaway, and let you know if you've won. And again, if you do an online order and use the hostess code, you just have to be sure not to click no contact. It's something you have to do, so don't click no contact. I'll have your information to get in touch with you if you won the one that has not been opened, pristine and clean and super cute. So yeah, good luck and thanks a bunch.